Here we are in the Woodlands doing Hardie trim repair, replacement, siding replacement. Here's the material. They actually got a material that is called a 5-4 Hardie trim that we're going to use on trim board replacement of two of the chimneys, corners, and we're going to replace this whole entire side where it's rotted. We even forgot to put the LP siding all the way up against the roof, but it's all rotted, so we're going to replace that. Not a good idea to use LP siding on rake ends, which are the triangular areas where they cut the boards. We're replacing Hardie plank siding. So Life Forms home in the Woodlands.